This is Corinna from Yummy Lebanese channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to make delicious chicken shawarma. Let's get started. To begin, thinly slice the chicken. Here I am using a combination of chicken breast and boneless thighs. First, we are going to create the marinade. Mix yogurt, red wine vinegar, lemon, oil, minced garlic with the spices mentioned in the recipe, and salt. Now pour the marinade over the chicken. Make sure you mix it thoroughly so that everything is evenly distributed. Now cover it and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Now it is time to cook the chicken. Feel free to cook it however you like. You can use a rotisserie oven if you have it. You can grill it or cook it on the stove using either a grill pan or a cast iron skillet. Here I am using cast iron. Add some of the chicken to your pan. You will need to do this in batches so that the pan doesn't get overcrowded. Let the chicken cook for 3 to 4 minutes before flipping them. Then allow the other side to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. The cooking time depends on the thickness of the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, remove them from a pan and add another batch of chicken to the hot pan. And voila! Here is your delicious homemade chicken shawarma. Traditionally, chicken shawarma is served with french fries, pickles, lettuce, and of course, garlic sauce. See the link in the description below for our recipe. You can serve the chicken shawarma on a platter and allow your guests to serve themselves, or create delicious sandwiches. Look how tender and beautiful that chicken is. Hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below to let us know how you enjoyed it. Bon appetit!